Hey, what is going on, YouTubers? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we're going to be showing you how and why you want to use this extra shoelace hole right here if you have it. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get started. If you have this extra shoelace hole, what you want to do is go ahead and lace up your shoelaces like you do normally here. You can see that I've done that. That's already done. Take the end of your shoelace, put it in the shoelace hole, but don't pull it all the way through. So you've got a little loop right here, and you can see on this side, I've already done the same thing. So when I have this, I'm going to take this end of the shoelace, put it into this loop, and I'm going to take the other shoelace end, put it into the other loop, just like that. So when I pull through, you're going to pull down and then up. So right now you've got this little structure here. This is called a lace lock. And you can go ahead and tie your shoe as you would normally. I normally do a regular knot and then double knot it. But now in this particular case, this shoelace is not coming out. It's also called a lace lock or a heel lock. All right, but that's it. A real simple use of the extra shoelace hole. If you have one, it will definitely help you out. Thanks a lot. Have a great rest of the day.